Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking Excel Chapter 2 Simulation Training. I will guide you through this training step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your training by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments help, exam help, quizzes help, and for complete course deal help. You can simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. And my WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, you can contact me on my email. My email is given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. And please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Economics, Macroeconomics, Writing Finance, C++, Java, Nursing, and many more online courses. If you need help, let me know and contact me on my WhatsApp and email. Let's start our Excel chapter 2 simulation training. Excel chapter 2 simulation training. The question number 1 is that in cell D8 create a formula to subtract the value in cell C8 from cell B8. Simply we will go to cell B8, press is equal to, and then we will create a formula to subtract the value in cell C8 from cell B8. Okay, see here down payment. Sorry, B8 is house cost minus down payment. We will press enter. It will find amount financed. Copy the formula in cell D8 to the range D9 to D12. Simply, we will copy the formula from cell D8 to D9 to D12. Okay. Question is completed now. The next question of this training is that in cell in cell F8 create a formula to divide the value in cell E8 by cell B5 using relative cell references. We will click on cell F8, press is equal to, then we will create a formula to divide the value in cell E8 by cell B5. Press is equal to, cell E8 is mortgage rate divided by cell B5 is PMT per year. We will press okay using relative cell reference enter dollar sign is here. Dollar sign, press enter. Copy the formula and cell F8 to the range F9 to F12. Copy down the formula through cell F9 to F12. Okay, look at cell F9 and then undo the action of copying the formula, since if error initially uses a relative cell references. We will click on cell F9 and then simply go to the home tab. In the undo group, click on undo button, undo the action. Okay, click on undo button. Edit the rate per period formula in cell F8 by marking cell B5 and absolute references. Okay. Okay, you can see here added the rate per period formula in cell F8 by making cell B5 an absolute reference. Copy the formula to the range F9 to F12. Simply we will copy the formula down. First we will added the rate per period formula in cell F8 by making in cell B5 as absolute reference. Okay, and then B5 is absolute reference into dollar sign. Okay, and then we will copy down the formula through cell F9 to F12. Okay, this is good now. Now I'm going to do next question of this training. The question number 3. Enter a formula in cell H8 to calculate the hash of PMT period. Okay, enter a formula in cell H8 to calculate the hash of PMT period of the first loan by multiplying the year by the PMT as per years using a mixed cell reference for the cell containing the PMT per year is equal to G8 multiplying by B$5. Simply we will go to cell H5, we will press is equal to, and then we'll enter a formula G8. G8 is the years multiplying by B5 is PMT as per years. Okay, enter B5 B$5, then we press enter. It will be find hash of PMT periods in cell H. Okay, Copy the formula and cell H8 down to a hash RPM to periods column to the H9 to H12. We will copy down the formula through cell H12. Question is completed now. Use the auto sum feature to enter is equal to sum into B8 to B12 in cell B16 to calculate the total value of the houses bought. Simply we will go to the cell B16, click on cell B16, press is equal to and then enter sum function into B8 to B12. B8 to B12, the total value of the houses bought. B8 to B12 and then we will press enter. It will be find total house cost and cell B16. You can see here question is completed now. Now I am going to do next question of this training is question number 5. Use the auto sum arrow on the formulas tab to enter is equal to average into B8 to B12 in cell B17. Okay. To calculate the average value of the house costs. Basically, in this question, we will use the auto sum arrow on the formulas tab to enter is equal to average. Okay, we will go to the cell B17 for calculate the average value of the houses cost. We will click on cell B17, press is equal to enter average into B8 to B12 for house cost complete column. Okay, scroll down. We will click on cell B17 first. Press is equal to enter average function into the B8 to B12 value in the range is B8 to B12 and then we will press enter. It will be find average value of the house's cost. Press enter. Question is completed now. The next question of this training is that use the insert function command to the left of the formula bar to search for the median function. Use the function arguments dialog box to select the range B8 to B12 to enter median into B8 to B12 inside B18 to calculate the median value of the house cost. Basically in this question we will have to calculate the median value of the house cost. Basically we will find the median value of the house cost. We will go to the cell B18 and then we will press is equal to, so we will enter a median function into B8 to B12. Okay, we will go to simply in cell B18, scroll down and then click on cell B18, press is equal to, so we will enter a median function, then into the value in the range, so B8 to B12 value in the range, then we will press enter. We will find median values here. Question is completed now. Now I am going to do question number 7 of this training. The question number 7 is that use the auto sum arrow on the formula tab to B enter is equal to main into B8 to B12 in cell B19 to identify the lowest costing house. Okay, you can see basically in this question we will have to find the lowest costing house. We will go to cell B19, so we will enter is equal to, then enter minimum function into B8 to into value in the range is B8 to B12. Okay, simply we will go to cell B19, so we will press is equal to in cell B19. Okay, so we will enter a minimum function is main function for lowest housing cost, main function. Okay, value in the range is B8 to B12. Okay, B8 to B12 and then we will press enter. It will be find lowest costing house. Okay, use the auto sum arrow on the formulas tab to enter is equal to max into B8 to B12. Okay, you can read this question. In cell B20 to identify the highest costing house. Basically this question we will have to find the highest costing house in cell B20. We will go to the cell B20, press is equal to, so we will enter a maximum function into value in the range B8 to B12 and then we will press enter. Then it will be find highest housing cost in cell B20. Simply press is equal to, so we will enter max function for highest housing cost into the range value in the range B8 to double click on this, B8 to B12 BA to B12, and then we will press enter. On the detail sheet in cell B21, enter the count function using the range B8 to B12 in the function argument. Okay, on the detail sheet in the B21, okay, using the count function using the range in the function argument. Enter the count function using the B8 to B12 in the function argument. Okay, we will go to cell B21 and then press is equal to, and then enter count function in cell B21. We will press enter count function. You can see here. Okay, first I have go to the cell B21, press is equal to, so I have enter a count function. Now value in the range is B8 to B12, and then we will press enter B8 to B12. Okay, and then we will press enter. Now type 42500 in cell B9. Note the aggregate function previously calculated automatically update. We will go to cell B9. Where is cell B9? We will go to cell B9 and then we will type this digit 425000 in the formula bar. We will type this digit 425000. Okay, question is completed now. Now I'm going to do question number 8. The question number 8 of this training is that insert a lookup function is equal to x lookup into F9, D4, D6, E4 to E6 is absolute references value. Insert G9 on the payment info worksheet to the calculate the APR. Simply, we will go to the cell G9 for calculate the payment info worksheet to calculate the APR. For calculating APR, we will go to cell G9, press is equal to, and then enter X lookup function. Okay, formula is the given in the question. We will enter this value F9 year and D4 year. Okay, using absolute reference value, enter dollar sign, and D6 and E4 and then E6, enter absolute references, enter dollar sign E6, then we will press enter and then it will be found APR in cell G9. Copy the function in the cell G9 to the range G10 to G13. Okay, copy the function through cell G9, G10 to G13. Okay, question is completed now. The next question of this training is question number 9. Insert of an initial function is equal to PMT into G9 over B5, F9 multiplying by B5 minus D9. Inside H9 to calculate the monthly payment, we will simply go to the cell H9 for calculate the monthly payment. Click on cell H9 and then press is equal to, and so we will have to enter a PMT function inside H9. Enter PMT function into G9 divided by B5, absolute reference is value B5, and then B5. Okay, formula is given in the question. You can see here B5 and F9 multiplying by B5 is absolute reference value into dollar sign. Dollar sign. For dollar sign, we will press shift and then 4 button. B5 and minus D9. B5 minus D9, then we will press enter. Now copy the function to the range, then it will find monthly payment. Now we will copy the function to the range I10 to I13. You can see here. Okay, I have done 10 questions out of 10 questions. Mean I have done complete simulation training in my video. For other simulation training help or you want to read for this simulation training from me, I will do this complete simulation training for you with a plus grade. And please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. Reach me out for your complete course help. I will handle your complete course. I will do your complete simulation training, all assignments, project, or simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and come on my WhatsApp chat, and my WhatsApp scanner is given in the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. If you don't have WhatsApp, then you can contact me on my email. My email is given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade, and please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Economics, MyLab Writing, C++, Java, Python, Nursing, Medical, Word, PowerPoint, Assess, and many more online courses. Simply contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will handle your complete course. I am handling many students' courses on Matilda Pearson, Sangage Mintap, MC Grahil Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my art students. Thank you so much.